kept by the Tsar for his own safety. And when this procession was attacked by the police and Cossacks, so in this incident, 100 workers were killed and approximate 300 workers were injured. This incident is known as Bloody Sunday. Why? Because that day, that was the Sunday, and this incident took place on that day. That is why in Russian history it is known as the Bloody Sunday, when 100 workers were killed and approximate 300 workers were injured. And after that, strikes after this incident, across all over Russia, strikes took place, and universities closed down when student bodies staged walkouts complaining about the lack of civil liberties. Lawyers, doctors, every means each section of the society joined this joined the group of strikers, and they established the Union of Unions and demanded a constituent assembly. When all the section of the society, after this incident, all the section of the society joined together and asked the common demands, the formation of constituent assembly. And when the situation was out of the control of Tsar, he allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. This The Duma was formed, but within 75 days the Tsar re-elected first Duma. He dismissed and re-elected the second Duma, and second Duma was also dismissed within the 3 months, and he did not want any questioning on his authority. Means he wanted to rule as per his divine right, or he did not want to be accountable to the public. So he changed the voting laws and packed the third Duma. He made the changes in voting laws. Means earlier the people, those who had the voting rights, those voting rights were also changed and were given to very limited section of the society. And after that, new elections were there, and the new parliament or Duma was formed. And this time in third Duma there was the concentration of conservative politicians, because he made changes in voting rights. So when the third Duma was formed, that time most of the people in Duma were elected from the conservative groups, and this time in third Duma the conservative politicians were in majority, and liberals and revolutionaries were kept out. So this was the effect of the Russian Bloody Sunday, and this was the action taken by the Tsar against this 1905 incident or revolution. But this action make the people more active, more we can say against him, and in response to this type of repression or keeping them out of the parliament, workers and soldiers formed a revolutionary council or Soviet in the city of St. Petersburg. Petersburg, it was the main city in Russia. It was at that time, it was a capital city of Russian Empire, St. Petersburg. Later on, this St. Petersburg was renamed as Petrograd. So here they formed a Soviet. Soviet, actually it was a council, it was an elected local, district or national elected member. party or the association of elected members at the local level, national level or district level. So in this way they formed the Soviet in Russia. It was a reaction of the public against the Tsar's suppression of liberals and those who wanted change. Children, here on your screen you can see one side an image of Bloody Sunday event. This is the Winter Palace you can see, and in front of Winter Palace, when these people were marching or taking procession, that time they were attacked by the police. So this is the incident, image of incident Bloody Sunday. And here you can see he is the person, Father Gapon, under whose leadership this procession was taken out by the people or the workers. Now, children, this is the First World War. It was also the one of the responsible cause of Russian Revolution, which made the people, which provoked the people against the government and demanded for the end of monarch.